Good evening all. In this video I am going to discuss about goal seek command and how it can be applied for some practical analysis. For this I have taken example of an analysis called as break even. So what is meant by break even analysis, first we can discuss. So the point at which there is no profit and no loss is usually called as break even. Right, the example what I have chosen to explain the goal seek command through the break even analysis is a bakery example. You see, in a bakery, selling price of 1 unit of bread is considered rupees 10 for an example, and the fixed cost, whether the bakery is going to operate on the day, whether they are going to sell on the day, irrespective, there is a fixed cost of 1000. Okay, it may be something that is related to electricity, it may be rent or any other things that may be included in fixed cost. It is 1000 rupees whether they operate or not on a day. Okay, right. The third one is the variable cost, right? So to make one bread, possibly they need to spend rupees 5. So these three are the given elements or the given parameters in the problem: selling price, fixed cost, and the variable cost, right? And the second thing is, right, the given is only 3, so the variable is, right, so how many number of units, that is the units of bread that is going to be sold on a day, right? I'm just taking as example as 1000. Okay, it may be any number you can try, you may even type 2000 or 1000, anything you can type. So I'm just taking an example of 1000 here. Okay, then how we are going to get the results? You see, I have given the formulas here. Okay, total revenue will be equal to selling price per unit into number of units. Okay, so I am going to type the formula here, equal to, what is the selling price? Selling price per unit of bread is 10 multiplied by number of units. I have taken example of what? 1000. So this is in this cell. So the total revenue, if you are going to sell 1000 units on a day, it is going to be 10,000. The total revenue for the shop is going to be 10,000 if you sell how much units? 1000 units. So what is fixed cost? Fixed cost is already given there. Whether you are going to operate the shop on a day or not, the fixed cost is going to be 1000. Okay, I have taken that. Then what is going to be the variable cost? So the variable cost is going to be the variable cost per unit of bread, right, multiplied by how many units of bread is going to be sold on a day, that is 1000. So the variable cost is 5000. So what is total cost? Total cost is total variable cost plus fixed cost. Total variable cost plus fixed cost. Okay, just a minute. So here it is plus. Okay, so total variable cost plus fixed cost. So total cost is equal to total variable cost plus fixed cost. So the total cost is 6000. So what is going to be the profit? Profit is total revenue minus total cost. Okay, so this is equal to, where is the total revenue? This is total revenue minus total cost. So if you sell 1000 units on a day, that is 1000 bread on a day, you will be getting a profit of 4000. So there may be a question that I started explaining about break-even analysis, but what is that goal seek command? You see, as I said, break-even analysis is a point where there is no profit or no loss. So which means your profit is going to be 0. No profit and no loss means your profit is 0. Now I need to make this cell 0. If the profit is going to be 0, what is the number of units the baker has to make on a day? I think you can understand. So the profit should become 0. To make this profit 0, how many number of units has to be sold? So here I am going to use the goal seek command, right? So go to data. So in the data menu you can see what if analysis. In what if analysis there is an option called as goal seek. Click this goal seek. So set cell, which cell has to change? Okay, so you see, what I need to do is, in break even, as I said, the profit, there is no profit or no loss, so it should become 0. So this is the cell that has to be changed, right? So the set cell is going to be the profit cell, H16. So what should be the value? 0. Okay, so it should become 0. The cell H16 should become 0. And which cell has to be changed, right? The variable. So this cell. Okay, H16, the profit cell, the profit should become 0. Which cell has to change? The variable cell has to change. Okay, just click. Okay, you can see the profit has changed to 0. So to achieve break even, at least 200 units of bread has to be made on a day. So this is a practical application of goal seek command. Thank you.